So we're going to show you how to make all these presents today.
I love you.
I love you too.
Today we're going to show you how to make some homemade gifts for someone special. This beautiful heart that they can hang up.
Yep.
Personalize a candle. Make the first letter of their name and a special beautiful album that they can hang up on their wall as well.
Yep. So they can always remember how much they love their family.
Yeah. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out the first letter of the name of the person you're giving the gift to. And in this case, we've cut out the letter A and just 2 pieces of cardboard. We're going to stick them on together and then we're going to wrap them with some yarn. So we're going to hot glue these 2 pieces together. We've got this really nice multicolored yarn that's quite thick and it's going to give a really nice feel to the letter at the end. Okay, let's start with that. Wrapping up the A and it's ready. And Sissy, what are we going to do now? So we're going to add some flowers. We got these really cheap flowers from the dollar store and we're just going to take the flowers off of the stems and we're going to stick them on. Okay. Great job.
Now we're going to put this last one.
Oh, we don't want to cover the...
Both?
We're just going to put some pearls in the middle of the flowers to give it a bit more sparkle. It gives it such a nice sparkle. And this is the first gift. It's all ready.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna do the next one. What's the next one? Do you know? So for the next gift,
we're making a mini album.
Yes, we are. So we printed and cut out these small photos.
And that's me. I'm in every photo.
You are?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we've got 5 photos and we've cut out 6 pieces of black cardboard.
Yes.
And we're gonna glue on the pictures onto each cardboard. Yeah. We're gonna have 1 extra one left.
Yes, 1 extra left.
Glue.
Glue.
Let's start gluing. So stick the photos on like this. Make sure they stick all over. You don't want any corners coming out. So once you've got all the photos stuck onto the black paper, right? We have 1 more left that has nothing on it. And we've cut out a little heart out of foam. We're gonna stick it right in the middle of it, right here. Now, we're gonna attach all of them together. So we've got this black satin ribbon and we're gonna stick these pictures just like that. So lay them out the way you want them. And now we're gonna start sticking them. Okay.
So...
Put it in the middle, right in the middle. So we've finished sticking all the photos. So make sure you have all the photos facing this way, and then
the first one has to be backwards.
Yes, but then you have 2 pieces. So you stick 1 cardboard here and 1 cardboard here, so that you can have a heart.
So the ribbon doesn't show.
So you can have a heart on each side. Dots everywhere, not just on the ribbon. Yeah, all over. Come on. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. So now we've got a piece of cardboard on this side, on that side. We're gonna stick it right here. Stick it in the middle, please.
Here it's bended a little, but that doesn't matter.
In the middle, thank you. Oh, look at that, this looks gorgeous. So now you've got like a mini album that you can hang up. So now that we've stuck on all the photos, we're gonna show you how to fold it up.
Which is easy.
Like this. Little booklet,
and then you just do a knot, which is easy.
We make a little bow,
like a bow knot.
There you go. It's a beautiful present, and then when they open it, they're surprised with all the beautiful photos.
Yeah.
And they can hang it up on the wall if they want to.
Yep. Or they can take it with them whenever
it in the
to
bag.
remember that
Yeah.
they always love their family.
So for the next part of the gift, we've cut out hearts, all exactly the same size. One out of cardboard, and then one out of pink paper, and one out of fabric. And we're going to stick them on either side of the cardboard.
Yeah, but this fabric has some paper over it, so it sticks on.
Yeah, self-adhesive.
And so,
So we'll stick this part on first.
yeah, because it's easier. Sure.
Yeah. Super. Super. Lovely. Now Cece's gonna write the message here, and then we're gonna get some flowers to make the border.
Yeah.
And now Cece's writing the message on the heart before we start making the flower border. We make a hole here to put the ribbon later on. Start sticking on the flowers.
And these.
The foliage, yes. Use some lace to stick around the border like this.
Yeah, as beautiful
And then put the flowers with it.
Squish it, nish
It's
it,
really hot, so.
squish it, nish it.
Finish the border, and we're sticking some more flowers right here. You gonna help me, Cease? So we finished sticking all the flowers on, and we put some pearls inside the flowers to make them even shinier. And really important is to clean up all the glue strings that come out. And finally, we're ready to put the ribbon on. Come on.
It's easier this way. Now, where is that?
Can you please?
Okay. Just one more, right? Because I can't cut more. So now it's all ready and finished.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna first wrap a little bit of yarn around it. So we're starting with some with the yarn that we've chosen, just a little bit of glue right here, okay? And then we just start wrapping it. So just try to.
Just that.
My finger got stuck. Alright.
Now it's working out.
And it's secure. Okay? Just get we just cut out a little felt heart. Just put a little bit of glue on it and stick it onto the yarn. And put it on quickly before it dries. In the middle, yes, lovely. Now we're gonna knot it. Oh, let's get all this extra glue string. So we cut a little brown piece of paper and a little felt heart. We're gonna stick them onto each other. Okay, but first make a hole in here, please. Smart girl. No.
Right. Where?
No. In the middle. Now get the brown paper and stick it on. On this side, yeah. Just I love you. Put the jute string in, and we tie it in. So we tie it from here.
Can I try?
So now we've got all the gifts that we made for our Nana.
And then
Yeah. And we've got a beautiful box, and we're gonna put them all in. And she's gonna love them, isn't she?
yeah, and if you want, you can decorate the box.
Oh,
Or you can even make your very own box.
So we're just gonna put everything inside.
Well, we just decided we wanted to buy.
She's got some gifts that she can put in her room. So there we go, we're finished with this beautiful gift, and you can make something similar for your loved ones.
Yes. We hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like this craft, please give us a like.
And subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you next time with another craft.
Bye!